Are you intrigued by the world of Bitcoin, the decentralized digital currency that's transforming finance? Embarking on your Bitcoin journey begins with understanding how to buy and invest wisely. Our beginner's guide offers a roadmap to navigate this dynamic landscape with confidence. Empower yourself with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions and participate in the exciting opportunities offered by Bitcoin. Join our community and embark on your journey to financial empowerment today. Understanding Bitcoin. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, is a decentralized digital currency that operates on a peer-to-peer network without the need for intermediaries like banks or governments. It was introduced in 2008 by an unknown person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, and since then, it has grown exponentially in popularity and value. At its most basic level, Bitcoin is a form of digital money that can be sent and received through the internet. However, what sets it apart from traditional currencies is its underlying technology, the blockchain. The blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions across a network of computers, ensuring transparency, security, and immutability. Each transaction is verified and added to the blockchain through a process called mining, where participants solve complex mathematical puzzles to confirm the legitimacy of transactions and secure the network. One of the key principles of Bitcoin is its finite supply. Unlike fiat currencies that can be printed endlessly by central banks, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, making it a deflationary asset. This scarcity is built into the protocol, with new Bitcoins being issued as a reward for miners who contribute computing power to maintain the network. Bitcoin's value proposition lies in its potential to serve as a store of value and medium of exchange that is resistant to censorship and manipulation. Its decentralized nature makes it immune to government interference and inflationary policies, making it particularly appealing in times of economic uncertainty. Furthermore, Bitcoin is highly divisible, with each unit, known as a Satoshi, equal to 100 millionth of a Bitcoin. This divisibility makes it accessible to users of all income levels, allowing for microtransactions and enabling financial inclusion on a global scale. In summary, Bitcoin represents a groundbreaking innovation in the realm of finance, offering a secure, transparent, and censorship-resistant alternative to traditional currencies. Understanding the fundamentals of Bitcoin is essential for anyone looking to participate in the digital economy and harness the full potential of blockchain technology. Factors to consider before buying Bitcoin. Before diving into the world of Bitcoin investment, there are several crucial factors that every prospective buyer should consider to make informed decisions and mitigate risks. Understanding the risks. While Bitcoin has shown tremendous growth potential, it is also known for its price volatility. The value of Bitcoin can fluctuate dramatically in short periods, leading to both substantial gains and losses. It's essential to be prepared for these fluctuations and only invest what you can afford to lose. Assessing your investment goals and risk tolerance. Before buying Bitcoin, it's important to clarify your investment objectives and risk tolerance. Are you looking for long-term capital appreciation, or are you interested in short-term trading opportunities? Understanding your goals will help you determine the appropriate investment strategy and time horizon. Choosing the right platform or exchange. Selecting a reputable and trustworthy platform or exchange is critical for buying Bitcoin safely and securely. Conduct thorough research to evaluate the reputation, security features, fees, and user experience of different platforms before making a decision. Security should be a top priority when dealing with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Choose a digital wallet that offers robust security features, such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, and multi-signature functionality. Additionally, consider implementing best practices for securing your private keys and passwords, such as using hardware wallets and avoiding storing large amounts of Bitcoin on exchanges. By carefully considering these factors and conducting thorough research, you can minimize risks and maximize opportunities when buying Bitcoin. While Bitcoin offers exciting possibilities for financial innovation and empowerment, it's essential to approach investment decisions with caution and diligence to navigate the dynamic and evolving landscape of cryptocurrency. Steps to buy Bitcoin. Embarking on the journey to buy Bitcoin requires a series of steps to ensure a smooth and secure transaction process. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the process effectively. Setting up a digital wallet. Before purchasing Bitcoin, you'll need to set up a digital wallet to store and manage your cryptocurrency holdings.
Digital wallets come in various forms, including hardware, software, and mobile wallets. Choose a wallet that aligns with your security preferences and usability requirements. Choosing a reputable exchange. Research and select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell Bitcoin.
Consider factors such as security measures, fees, supported payment methods, and user interface when evaluating different exchanges.
Creating an account on the chosen exchange.
Once you've chosen an exchange, sign up for an account by providing the necessary information and completing any identity verification requirements. This process may involve submitting personal identification documents to comply with regulatory standards.
Funding your account.
After successfully creating an account, you'll need to fund it with fiat currency, e.g., USD, EUR, to purchase Bitcoin.
Most exchanges support various payment methods, such as bank transfers, credit, debit cards, and online payment platforms. Be mindful of transaction fees and processing times associated with different payment methods. Placing an order to buy Bitcoin.
With funds deposited in your exchange account, you can now place an order to buy Bitcoin. Choose between market orders, which execute at the current market price, or limit orders, which allow you to specify the price at which you want to buy Bitcoin. Once your order is placed, the exchange will execute the transaction, and your Bitcoin will be credited to your exchange account. By following these steps diligently and exercising caution, you can successfully purchase Bitcoin and begin your journey into the world of cryptocurrency investment. Remember to prioritize security and choose reputable platforms to safeguard your funds effectively.
Storing and securing your Bitcoin.
Once you've acquired Bitcoin, it's crucial to prioritize its safe storage and security to protect your investment from potential threats.
Here's how to store and secure your Bitcoin effectively.
Transferring Bitcoin to your digital wallet. After purchasing Bitcoin on an exchange, transfer it to your digital wallet for enhanced security.
Digital wallets offer greater control over your funds and protect them from exchange-related risks such as hacking or insolvency. Follow the instructions provided by your wallet provider to initiate the transfer from the exchange to your wallet address. Importance of securing your digital wallet.
Securing your digital wallet is paramount to safeguarding your Bitcoin holdings. Utilize robust security measures such as enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, using strong and unique passwords, and regularly updating your wallet software.
Consider using hardware wallets for added security, as they store your private keys offline, away from potential online threats. Backup and recovery options. Implement backup and recovery measures to prevent the loss of your Bitcoin in case of device failure or loss. Most digital wallets offer backup options, such as mnemonic phrases or seed phrases, which allow you to restore access to your funds if your wallet is lost or damaged. Store these backup phrases securely and offline in multiple locations to ensure redundancy and resilience. Protecting against scams and fraud. Be vigilant against scams and fraudulent schemes targeting Bitcoin users. Exercise caution when sharing your wallet information or engaging in transactions with unknown parties. Beware of phishing attempts, fraudulent investment schemes, and fake exchanges posing as legitimate platforms. Educate yourself about common scams and stay informed to avoid falling victim to fraudulent activities. By taking proactive measures to store and secure your Bitcoin, you can mitigate the risks associated with cryptocurrency ownership and enjoy peace of mind knowing that your investment is well protected. Prioritize security, stay informed about potential threats, and remain vigilant to safeguard your digital assets effectively. Monitoring your investment. After acquiring Bitcoin and securing it in your digital wallet, it's essential to monitor your investment regularly to stay informed about its performance and market trends. Here's how to effectively monitor your Bitcoin holdings. Tracking the value of your Bitcoin holdings. Keep track of the value of your Bitcoin holdings by monitoring cryptocurrency exchanges or using portfolio tracking tools and apps. These tools provide real-time updates on the price of Bitcoin and allow you to track the overall value of your investment portfolio. Understanding market fluctuations. Bitcoin is known for its price volatility, with fluctuations occurring frequently due to various factors such as market demand, regulatory developments, and macroeconomic trends.
Stay informed about market fluctuations by following cryptocurrency news outlets, forums, and social media channels.
Understanding market dynamics will help you make informed decisions about buying, selling, or holding Bitcoin. Considerations for long-term versus short-term investment strategies. Determine whether you're pursuing a long-term or short-term investment strategy with your Bitcoin holdings. Long-term investors may choose to hold Bitcoin as a store of value or hedge against inflation, while short-term traders may engage in active trading to capitalize on price movements. Tailor your monitoring strategy to align with your investment goals and time horizon. Risk management and diversification. Practice risk management and diversification to mitigate potential losses and maximize returns. Avoid putting all your funds into Bitcoin or any single asset, and consider diversifying your investment portfolio across different asset classes. Additionally, set clear risk management strategies, such as setting stop-loss orders or implementing risk-adjusted position sizing, to protect your investment capital. By actively monitoring your Bitcoin investment, staying informed about market developments, and implementing effective risk management strategies, you can optimize your investment performance and navigate the dynamic landscape of cryptocurrency markets with confidence. As you conclude your journey into the world of Bitcoin investment, it's important to reflect on the key insights gained and look ahead to the future of cryptocurrency. Encouragement for responsible investing. Investing in Bitcoin can be both exciting and rewarding, but it's essential to approach it with caution and responsibility. Take the time to understand the risks involved, clarify your investment goals, and conduct thorough research before making investment decisions. By prioritizing security, staying informed, and diversifying your investment portfolio, you can navigate the cryptocurrency market with confidence and resilience. Looking ahead, Bitcoin's future remains promising, with continued adoption and innovation driving its growth and acceptance worldwide. As blockchain technology continues to evolve and mature, Bitcoin's role as a decentralized digital currency and alternative financial system may become even more prominent. However, it's essential to recognize that the cryptocurrency landscape is dynamic and ever-changing, with both opportunities and challenges on the horizon. For more money-making tips, check out our next video linked above. Don't forget to subscribe for fresh content every week. Let's build wealth together. See you next time.